Charu. I actually just started as a postdoc at the University of Michigan today. And I'll tell you a bit about Biopatrika, which is an online science magazine, and that's how it started. Our motto is to bring science to society, and it's just as simple as that. Over a period of time, especially through the pandemic, what we've noticed is that there's a huge gap between what happens in research in universities, what happens in pharmaceutical companies, and what people get to know. So we basically just want to keep it simple. We want to tell people the no nonsense truth, and we want to highlight Indian scientists at every level of what they're doing. So every first author gets to have an interview, gets to talk about their science, gets to talk about the impact of their science. And I think, I feel collectively, we feel that is a very important thing, because people need to know what kind of science is happening and how that science, which they probably fund through their taxes, is impacting their lives. We organize several podcasts relating to the journeys that people have taken who studied in these STEM fields, but now either have alternate careers, have industry, have academic careers, or are entrepreneurs. We have a mentorship series that Naren also touched upon, called Pies of Life. This happens every Tuesday for now for the Indian audience, and we want to start it up on Wednesday, which is also one of these sessions for a US-based audience. And we invite mentors such as yourself, people who've established themselves in the field, who have something to share with us, and from whose journeys we can learn from, and it's sort of a one-on-one interaction there. We are also starting up with an Indian professionals network, which is, I think, of utmost, which is why this session was organized, and which is where we really require your help, because the Indian professional networks would be connecting everyone who has a PhD and above, who's working in the industry at the moment. We also plan to include people who are academic professionals, PhD and up for now. We simply just want to have a 5-minute informational interview with them. We want to get to know them. We want to find out the intricacies of their work. And in those 2, 3, 5 questions, we want to figure them out. We want to give people an introduction to what this person does, who this person is, and what their outlook for their respective avenues is. And so that's pretty much what I think I can share about Biopatrika for now. Of course, we have an amazing website. We have a lot of resources. We hope that you will stay connected with us in the future as well. But yeah, for now, I think Naren would like to introduce you to our audience for today.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Charu. And I think if what I find very interesting in Biopatrika, 3 things, and there are many more, but there are 3 major things. One is the science, the communication of science to the general public. That's one, through the magazine, through the website, etc. The second is bringing pharmaceutical professionals together in a forum where we discuss not just science, but also what it takes to be in the industry. And the third is the mentorship. And mentorship is really focused on that space between industry and academia. So those are 3 things that we focus on.